Come on over, chill with me. Come and chill with my homies. You'll be calling me baby while you looking up from your knees. Don't you worry, we'll have fun. Call me Fro, not Anthony. And if the cops come, I'll be screaming, fuck the police. BYOB, just in case we run out the bees, booze, buds, and bass. Now raise your drink up to crazy night and let's get shit-faced, yeah! Let's take another shot. Yeah, let's get wavy. Cause life's way too short to miss the party. Why you over in that corner? Get on the dance floor and pull her closer.